We're going to test this series adding the terms 1 over 3 to the n minus 1 for convergence or divergence using the limit comparison test. Link in the description to my lesson introducing this test if you need more of a recap. At a glance, you should expect that this series would converge because it's very close to the geometric series 1 over 3 to the n. It just has this minus 1 in the denominator. So for the limit comparison test, the geometric series 1 over 3 to the n is exactly the comparison series we'll use. So we look at the limit as n goes to infinity of terms of our original series divided by terms of this comparison series. Dividing by 1 over 3 to the n is the same as multiplying by 3 to the n over 1. So this is equal to this. Then, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by the dominant term, which is 3 to the n. So divide the numerator and denominator by 3 to the n, and that will simplify nicely. 3 to the n divided by 3 to the n is 1. 3 to the n divided by 3 to the n is 1. And minus 1 divided by 3 to the n is minus 1 over 3 to the n. Now, as n goes to infinity, 1 over 3 to the n, of course, is going to go to 0. And so we'll just be left with 1 over 1. Hence, the limit is equal to 1, which is a finite positive number. And so, by the limit comparison test, the two series must have the same behavior. That is, they both converge. Again, we know the series we are comparing to converges because it's a geometric series with r equal to 1/3. That has a magnitude that's less than 1, so it converges. Thus, our original series is also convergent. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 2 course and Calculus 2 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.